Last week was special. My sister and I did a little road trip for a 1-week retreat up north.
Whole week of retreating, getting out of the city, getting creative.
This is the time of the year that feels the heaviest. Especially when you live in the big city, a retreat like this would help us recharge our mind and body.
Getting some fresh air. 'Tis cold, but it's so beautiful.
We spent the week in a beautiful place next to a frozen lake in the middle of nowhere. Our goal was to accomplish things that we were kind of putting aside back home. Important things that we were just not prioritizing because of life. And of course, we got to focus on our main projects. My sister, being an author, put her next projects in motion. And on my end, as your virtual coach, I filmed a whole bunch of content for you. The best thing about being influencer siblings is you get to do really fun collaborations. But the most important thing that we made sure not to neglect was our physical health and healing journey. Movement is life, and exercise plays a huge part in the journey of healing. We made this a priority.
He said we were going on a retreat. He said we were going to relax. He lied!
All jokes aside, after doing our daily exercises, my sister soon realized that she's actually stronger than she thought she was. And that's when it's all about. When you're feeling at your lowest, sometimes you just need to get out, reset, and refocus. And to relax, because everything is gonna be okay. And what would a retreat be without the fun? On our last day, when our work and tasks were complete, our family joined us for some good quality time. To move forward, sometimes you just need to step back and appreciate everything that you currently have, but at the same time to be excited for what the future holds. And that's exactly what we did.